Listen.
Many years later, Sangkuriang grew up to be a powerful man. One day he went back to his village. He met a beautiful young woman there, and he fell in love with her at the first sight.
Well, many years later, beberapa tahun kemudian, sang Kuryang grew up, tumbuh, ya, grew up to be a powerful man, menjadi seorang laki-laki yang powerful, sangat kuat. One day he went back. Suatu hari dia kembali, went back to his village, ke kampungnya. He met, dia ketemu a beautiful young woman there. Ketemu dengan seorang wanita muda di sana, there. And he fell in love. Dia jatuh cinta with her, padanya, at the first sight, pada pandangan pertama. Oke, lihat selanjutnya. Listen.
It was Dayang Sumbi. She never got older because she had been granted eternal youth by the gods. Sangkuriang did not know that she was his mother, so she came to her and proposed to marry her.
It was Dayang Sumbi. Itu adalah Dayang Sumbi. She never got, dia tidak pernah menjadi older, tua, because she had been granted. Nah ini ya, karena dia had been granted, telah dijamin, eternal youth, jadi muda selamanya, by the gods, oleh dewa. Ya. Sang Kuryang did not know, tidak tahu, that, bahwa she was his mother, dia adalah ibunya. So, maka she came, dia datang, to her, padanya, and propose, ya, propose ini, dan bermaksud to marry her, menikahinya. So she came to her and proposed to marry her. Oke, demikiannya, kita lanjut. Listen.
When he walked closer to her, Dayang Sumbi got very surprised. She saw the scar in Sangkuriang's forehead, and soon she knew that he was her son, who left her a long time ago. She told him the truth and tried hard to explain it to him, but he did not believe her. She did not want to break his heart, so she accepted his proposal but gave him an impossible thing to do. She wanted him to build a lake and a boat in just one night.
Okay, when she walked closer to her, ketika dia, ya, walk, ini berjalan closer, lebih dekat padanya, Dayang Sumbi got, menjadi very surprised, sangat terkejut. She saw, dia melihat the scar, bekas luka, in Sang Kuryang's forehead, di kepala bagian depan Sang Kuryang, di jidatnya. And soon, dan segera, she knew, dia mengetahui, that he was, dia adalah, her son, anaknya, who left, yang meninggalkan, her, dirinya, a long time ago, pada beberapa waktu yang lalu. She told him, dia mengatakan padanya, the truth, tentang yang sebenarnya, and tried, dan mencoba hard, ya, dengan keras, to explain, untuk menjelaskan padanya, but, tetapi, he did not believe her, dia tidak percaya padanya. She did not want, tidak ingin, to break his heart, mematahkan hatinya. So she accepted, maka dia menerima, his proposal, maksud Sang Kuryang, maksud dirinya. But gave him, tetapi memberi dia juga apa? An impossible thing to do, sebuah hal yang tidak mungkin, to do, dilakukan. Impossible, tidak mungkin. She wanted, dia ingin, him, dirinya itu, to build a lake, membangun sebuah danau, and a boat, dan sebuah perahu, in just one night, dalam satu malam. Oke, mari kita lihat lanjutannya. Listen.
Sangkuriang agreed, because he knew that he could make it with the help of his genies. By midnight he finished the lake, then started making the boat.
Oke, Sangkuriang agreed. Sangkuriang setuju. Because he knew, karena dia tahu, that bahwa he could make it, dia bisa membuatnya, with the help, dengan bantuan of his genies, yaitu siluman atau jinnya dia. By midnight, sekitar tengah malam, he finished, dia menyelesaikan the lake, danaunya, then started, dan started making the boat, mulai membuat perahu.
Dayang Sumbi was thinking hard to find a way to fail him before dawn. She asked the people in the village to burn the woods in the east, and the light made all the cocks crow. Thinking that the night would be over soon, the genies ran fast and left Sangkuriang before the boat was finished.
Well, Dayang Sumbi was thinking hard. Dayang Sumbi berpikir dengan keras. To find, untuk menemukan a way, cara. To fail, menggagalkan himnya, diri sang Kuryang tadi. Before dawn, sebelum terbit matahari. Ya. She asked the people, dia meminta orang-orang in the village, di kampungnya, ya, ask tadi, meminta, menyuruh, to burn, untuk membakar, the woods in the east, membakar kayu di bagian timur, ya, and the light, dan membuat cahaya. The light dan cahayanya made all the cock crows, ya. Dan cahayanya maksudnya cahaya dari kayu yang dibakar itu, ya, membuat apa? Made all, semua, the cock crow, ayam-ayam pada berkokok, atau apa namanya kalau pagi-pagi itu, ya, membangunkan penduduk kampung, ya, ayam-ayamnya bersuara semua. Thinking that the night, berpikir bahwa itu malam, would be over soon, would be, akan, over, berakhir segera, atau segera berakhir, soon, itu segera, over, berakhir. The genies ran fast. Siluman jin itu berlari dengan kencang, and left Sangkuriang, dan meninggalkan Sangkuriang, before the boat was finished, sebelum perahunya diselesaikan.
Sangkuriang realized that Dayang Sumbi had cheated him. He got very angry and he kicked the boat upside down. It gradually became a mountain and it is now known as Mount Tangkuban Perahu.
Oke, Sangkuriang realize, menyadari, that Dayang Sumbi, ya, had cheated him, telah menipunya. He got, yang menjadi very angry, sangat marah, and he kicked, dan menendang, kick, the boat upside down, perahunya hingga terbalik, upside down itu terbalik. It gradually become a mountain, dan segera apa? Jadi mountain, sebuah gunung, and it is now known as Mount Tangkuban Perahu, dan dikenal sebagai Tangkuban Perahu. Okay, that's the end the story. Bapak harap kalian bisa mengikuti dan memahaminya, ya, kalimat per kalimat. Jangan lupa, silahkan kalian untuk menjawab pertanyaan ini. Selagi tadi kalian mendengarkan penjelasan Bapak, kalian cari jawabannya, ya. Nah, sekarang tinggal ditulis di buku catatan kalian, sampai dengan nomor 12, ya. Okay, my student, that's the end our study today. Have a nice day. See you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.